Welcome dear children to the Rajkumar College Rajkot. Today we are going to revise for MSW logo. Children, today let us start like a beginning of MSW logo. First of all, whenever I open MSW logo, my screen is divided into two parts. That is, this is the main screen and this is a commander window. Main screen, you can see the small triangular shape. This is called a turtle. Fine. Now, very important thing. Microsoft Windows logo is actually based on commands. Commands that is been understood only by that application. Okay. Now, we will draw shapes. We can do calculations. We can print our name. But in Form 3, we have learned only how to draw the shapes. The turtle will help you to draw the shape. Now you can see the head point. This is called head and this is called tail. The base is called tail. This is the turtle and it will help you to draw the shape. It is in the main screen. Whenever I open logo, the turtle will always remain in the center of the screen. Second window, the second part rather, is commander window. Again, commander window is divided into two parts. One is recall list box and this is command input box. Now, we can even see here buttons are there. But we were going to learn only this button, that is execute. As we all know, execute button is used to run the logo commands, right? So let us start. The first command is fd space 100. As we all know, children, if you want to draw a line, there are only two commands. One is fd and one is bk. FD is forward and BK is back. These are the only two commands in logo that while using these commands, you can draw the line, right? Now, instead of FD, you can even write forward, okay, space 100. Now, what is 100? 100 is number of steps. This is the turtle. You have to give the command that you move forward. How much forward? 2 steps, 5 steps, 6 steps. Okay. It depends on the size of the line you want to draw. You want to draw a big line, so give forward 100. Now you can see the line has been drawn. Right, this is the forward command. Same way, now I want to show you the BK command, so I am going to erase this. So for that, CS, as we know, clear screen, CT, clear text. Now I am going to show you to draw a line using a back command, BK space 100, or even I can do CSCT back 100, right? So this is your forward and back command. We have also seen CS and CT command. Children, chapter 8 and 9 are just a combination of all the commands. Okay, they both the chapters are in continue form. Some commands which are used before they are in chapter 9, but we have already learnt in chapter 8. Okay, before we have started chapter 9, I have shown you some like CSCT, hide turtle, show turtle. That type of commands we have already learnt before starting chapter 9, because that commands are in chapter 9. But these commands are most useful, so I have introduced with chapter 8 to you, right? Okay, now we have seen one forward and BK command. Second very important thing that I want to tell you is the logo commands are also called primitives. Yes, they are called primitives. Okay. Now I'm going to draw a rectangle for you. Okay. First of all, to clear the screen, it is CS space. Okay, I'll just clear the screen. Now the text that is there in the recall list box, I would like to clear that. So the command is CT, correct, clear text. Okay, fine. Now let us draw a rectangle. FD space 100, RT space 90. Now here RT means right side, you will just turn the turtle. You are not drawing a line, you have just turned the turtle. Now I am going to draw a rectangle. Any two sides are equal, right? So FD space 120, RT space 90, RT space 90, FD space 100, RT space 90, FD space 120. Hide turtle, HT. So you can see this, I have made one rectangle for you, right? Now here you can see when I have forgot to leave a space here, the error has come. I don't know how to RT90. Very important. Whenever we get some error, we should know what is the reason. Now here I can come to know, okay, I have not leave the space, so this error is there, right? So immediately you can change the command. See, immediately after that I got the error, I have just written RT space 90 over here, right? So this is a rectangle. Now see, to make a rectangle, you have typed so many different commands here, forward commands and RT command, right? So writing this all the commands, it is called a small program. You have made a small program. I have done hide turtle. Now I want to see the turtle, then show turtle. Okay. Now I want to clear the screen and clear the text. So CS CT. Okay children, this is okay. Forward, back, CS command, CT command and RT command. Okay. Now I want to do half turn. Okay, I want my turtle to do half turn. Either I can do RT space 180. You can see it is a half turn. Actually turtle was here, it will turn and come downwards like this way. So this is a half turn like this. Okay, so it has turned from the right side and come back down. So this is took a half turn. Same way, CS LT space 180. Now it also does an half turn, right? But it will turn towards the left side and come to the half. So this way you can do a half turn for your turtle using RT 180 or LT 180. LT is left and RT is right, as you all know. Okay. Now when you give RT space 180, it's a number of, it is a angle, actually how much angle you want to change it. Okay. Now let us do CS again. Now I am going to use a home command. For that I would like to draw a line BK 20, RT 40. I am just drawing any shape. FD 60. Now see, I am using HOME home. HOME home. You can see from the last position the turtle has come to the center of the screen, but it has drawn a line. So this is the use of home command. Okay. CS enter CT. So now see, till now what we have done: FD, BK, CS, CT, RT, LT. Okay, fine. And home command. Now let me show you very important one. FD space 100. I want to run this command. So either you press this execute button or you press enter key, right? Okay, I'll press execute button, then also it's work. So whenever you want to run your command, whenever you want to execute your command, you have to press execute button or you have to press enter key. Fine. Okay, now let us do the next one. I want to draw the parallel lines CS, CT. Okay, first of all I'll turn the turtle RT90, FD100. Okay, now I want to draw another line parallel to FD100. Okay, let us do RT space 90. Now if I give here FD100, then it will draw a line, right? So I want to move the turtle without drawing a line. You have to do pan up, FD50. See, now do pan down, RT space 90, FD space 100. Right? See, now what commands we have seen? Pan up, pan down, right? These are the two pan commands that we have seen, pan up and pan down. When do you use the pan up command? When you want to move the turtle without drawing a line. See, I'll give rather than taking an example of parallel lines, I will move the turtle without drawing a line. Okay, pan up, sorry, PU FD 100, RT 90, FD 100. Now here I want to draw a square, suppose FD 100. Oh, it is not drawing. Why? Because I have not done pan down. Either you can write PENDOWN, pen down, or just PD, enter, FD20, RT90, FD20, RT90, FD20, RT90, FD20. Hide turtle. See, like this way, whenever you want to move your turtle to some another place without drawing a line, you reach to your place and then destination, and from there you want to draw the shape. See how I have drawn just now. You can do the same way. At that time it is used, especially pan up, pen down, whenever you want to move the turtle without drawing a line. Now in this chapter 9, we have also seen a clean command, right? Now let us see first turtle, show turtle, CLEAN, clean. See, it has erased the screen, but the turtle has remained to its last position. Okay, now let me draw the line FD100. Okay, I'm just showing you an example. Now I'm going to use CS command. Okay, CS space CT because I want to clear this recall list box. Okay, now this is so many commands are there, so I'm going to erase the same. What happened? The turtle has come to its home position. There is a slight difference between clean and clear screen. Again I will show you. I'll do FD200. Okay, see the turtle, now I'm going to do clean command, CLEAN, clean. What happened? The turtle remained to its last position, right? Now again FD1, let us do 50. Sorry, FD space 50. It has drawn the line. Now you just see, I am going to use, you just have a look on the turtle CS, clear screen. The turtle has come to the center of the screen, that is its home position, right? So we have seen FD, BK, clean, clear screen, hide turtle, show turtle, right? Pan up, pan down, and home command. Okay, now let me show you the pen erase command. Okay, now I'm going to draw a shape where I'm going to make a mistake. Fine, so let us see. FD space 100, RT space 90, FD space 120. Now I wanted to make a square. Now all the four sides of the square are equal, but by mistake I have written 120 here. This line, okay, this line of my this horizontal line, it should be of 100 steps, but by mistake I have made it 120. So 20 extra steps I have drawn. So let me erase that. How to do? Either you write pen erase or you write PE BK space 20. You have to erase only 20 steps, right? Now pen paint. This is not, there is no such command given in the textbook just now, but whenever you are using pen erase, please use this pen paint command. I have also told you during the interactive class, and even in one of my video also I have shown you. Pen paint command, RT space 90, FD 100, RT 90, FD 100, hide turtle. Okay, now see children, why I told you to use pen paint command, because whenever you use pen erase, at that time the pen paint is compulsory to be used. It is not given in your textbook, but please remember this. Whenever you use pen erase command, use this pen paint command to draw the line. Okay, so now I'm going to make a list of all the commands here, okay, and revise with you. I'm not giving number of steps or anything, I'll just tell you. FD means forward, space 100 is number of steps. Now see, you cannot see the turtle anywhere. Why? Because I have done hide turtle. I want to reappear the turtle on the screen. Okay, मुझे दिखाना है turtle को, reappear करना है screen पे. Then show turtle. Okay, so this way you can hide and show your turtle. हम hide क्यों करते हैं turtle को? ताकि हमारी screen, हमारा जो drawing है, हमारा जो shape है, that we can see very clearly. Okay, now see children, logo is actually for development of your thinking power. One shape is given to you and all the students are asked to draw, right? I have not told that you use 100 steps or you use 20 steps, so all the children will start making the drawing, right? But each of you will draw with your different imagination using the command and shape and the steps, right? This is the same thing. If I give you a shape, you have to recall all the commands, whether you have to use a BK command, whether you have to use an FD command, right? We just take an example of MS Paint. Madam has asked you to draw a house, okay, and color it. All the children, suppose you all are 26 in the class, all of you will draw a different house, right? And you will color it also with the different colors. What you have done, you have put up your thoughts in the MS Paint drawing, right? Same way here, if I ask you to draw any shape, with the help of logo commands, with the help which command you have to use at what time, that you have to think and you have to do it. I can just teach you only the commands, how do they work, okay, but how to make them work, आपको उसको कैसे यूज़ करके आपको शेप बनाना है, वो आपको खुद को सोच के ऐसे शेप्स कमांड्स का यूज़ करके शेप बनाने हैं, ठीक है। अगर मुझे स्क्वायर बनाना है तो लोगों के अंदर वेराइटी ऑफ वेज आर देयर टू ड्रॉ अ स्क्वायर. You can use FD command, you can use a BK command. There is also a repeat command, but that repeat command you will run in form 4. Okay, so you have to remember FD means forward, BK means back, how the turtle is moving and how does it draw the shapes, right? You have to remember all these commands. Here the logo has given us facility to make its short form, because sometimes while typing we make a spelling mistake, right? So instead of writing forward, 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 you can just simply write FD, right? And very easily you can do it, right? So these are the different logo commands, and using all these commands you have to draw the shapes. Just a quick revision regarding your screen. MSW logo is divided into two parts. This is the main screen, this is the commander window. Commander window here is, this is the recall list box and this is command input box. Why recall list box? Because whatever command you type, it will display over here. Suppose you, while drawing a shape, you forget that what was the last command you have given, you can go immediately in the recall list box and find it. Okay, it was a show turtle. Yes, my turtle was hidden, so I have given show turtle. So immediately I will come to know that last command was show turtle. Okay, now I want to draw, I want to rotate, so I immediately will, okay, I want to rotate, so I will give now RT90. Okay, so this way you have to think and use it. Second, if you want to execute the logo commands, either you press execute button or you press enter key, right? Execute button, you have to remember just now, this all the buttons you will learn in form 4. Just now only one button, that is execute button. This is the main screen. Whenever I open logo, the turtle is always in the center of the screen, right? You can see it is always in the center of the screen. Logo understands only logo commands or primitives. Logo commands are also called primitives. It is developed by Mr. Samuel Pepperett. Okay. Logo screen is divided in two parts. Main screen, commander window. This is a turtle here. Turtle will help you to draw. The pointed part is called head and this is called a base. There are variety of commands. Just I'll make a group and tell you. FD and BK used to draw a line, right? With FD and BK you give number of steps. FD space number of steps, BK space number of steps. Okay, so see, FD space number of steps, BK space number of steps. So this way you can draw the line. So this is FD and BK command, right? Now the next command I am going is RT space 90. Just turning the turtle to the right. I want to turn it to the left side. LT space 90, right? So I have turned it on the left side. So BK, FD, RT, LT. Okay, RT and LT command is just to move the rotate the turtle. Then we have seen hide turtle, show turtle. Okay, CS. Okay, I'm not going to do CT because then all these commands will be erased and I don't want that. FD, BK, right, left, hide turtle, show turtle, clear screen, right? Pen up, but before that FD 200, okay, RT space 90, pen up FD space 40. See, FD space 40. Right, now I want to draw pen down FD space 30. Right, so this way, pen up, pen down. Now by mistake I have drawn this FD 30 line and I don't want it. Pen erase. Okay, what you have to erase? Only 30 steps. Then my turtle I am supposed to move it backward. BK space 30 and your line is erased. Now do pen paint because you have used pen erase command. RT space 90, FD space 100, 200. This way I have also used the pen commands. Now I want to clean it. CLEA and clean. Turtle will remain to its last position. Right? CS, it will come back to its home position. I want to exit logo. You type BY by. Okay. Children, one more thing. I have also given first you watch this video. Even we have online class tomorrow, right? So you can see this video and even you can check the revision I have put up in the ERP. Page numbers is already given there, so that's just a revision for you, so check it out. And thank you children, have a nice day. Any doubt regarding logo or any other application, please feel free to call anytime. Thank you children, have a nice day, take care, bye.